Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can start blogging. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to start blogging, you need to go to this website. You have to visit this website, blogger.com, and in this website you will be able to create your own blog. Then you can click on create your blog right here. You have to use your Gmail to create a blog, and I'm just going to choose this Google account to create my own blog. And wait, I'm going to enter my password. Okay, and after we have logged into the blogger.com, we have to choose a name for our blog, and this is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog, and I'm just going to name it My Diary. Okay, then we can click on next. Okay, and you can choose a URL for your blog. I'm just going to name it like this. Oops, this blog address is not available, so I'm going to change it. Okay, and then we can click on next, and we have to enter the display name. Okay, I'm gonna click on finish. Okay, and now my blog has been created, and here we can start to create new posts on our blog. If you want to create new posts, you can click on new post. Then you can add the title of your post, and I'm going to add it like this. Then here we can type in what we want to post on our blog. Okay, then once you're done, you can click on publish, and the post will be published in your blogspot. Alright guys, and that's all the way to start blogging. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.